Pragati Education welcomes you and wishes you a very happy learning. A short speech on Teachers' Day. Good morning, everyone. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters. Wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. All of us know that this day of 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day everywhere in India. Because this is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, educationist, and above all, a great lover of teachers and students. He was also the Vice President and the second President of our country, India. Throughout his life, he worked hard for the well-being of the nation with great zeal and enthusiasm. According to Radhakrishnan, education is essential to achieve all-round development of all individuals. Teachers are the persons who impart education to us and indirectly form the future of the nation. That's why, as a nation maker, teachers play an important role in the society and are worthy of praise and worship. This day of 5th September gives us a golden opportunity to honor and worship those living God of our society. I salute all the teachers of my great nation India with heart and soul and would like to conclude my speech with a great stanza from Sant Kabir Das. अज्ञानातिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकाय चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Thank you all.